Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can access the editing history of your notes on Obsidian Notes. So let us guide you through this. Head over to the Obsidian Notes application, select your vault in the bottom left. Next, what you want to do is open one of your notes here on the left hand side in a new tab. And here what you want to do next, guys, right click into the given tab of the note. And from there navigate to open version history here, right? Left click into it and then enable show changes here. And what you want to do, guys, is select open local history to the left, and then you can go through these changes, and if you like, restore the given one by selecting it and by choosing restore here. You can copy it also to create a new note with the same text content here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.